If OneDrive is showing error 0x8004De40 or 0x8004De88, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes step by step. These errors usually mean OneDrive is having trouble connecting to Microsoft services, and the good news is that most of the time you can solve it without reinstalling everything. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sign in and sync properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working. If possible, open a few websites and confirm that your internet is actually loading normally. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, that could be the entire reason behind the error. Next, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. Go to the official OneDrive website and try signing in there first. This is a really useful test because if OneDrive works in the browser, then the issue is more likely with the desktop app rather than your Microsoft account itself. Make sure you can sign in normally and access your files without any problem. If the browser login works, the next step is to restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches, refresh network services, and reset background processes that may be interfering with OneDrive. After your computer comes back on, try OneDrive again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next fix is to reset OneDrive. This is one of the most effective solutions for error 0x8004De40 and 0x8004De88. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the box, paste this command exactly: C:\program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Then press enter. If that command does not work, try the alternate location. Press Windows plus R again, and this time paste C:\program files x86 /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Press enter and wait for the reset to finish. Do not panic if OneDrive disappears for a moment. That can happen during the reset process. After that, wait about 2 minutes. OneDrive often needs a little time to rebuild its connection and restart in the background. Once the wait is over, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. Then sign in with your Microsoft account one more time and see if the error is resolved. If you still see the same problem, another thing you should try is temporarily disabling your VPN, Proxy, or Antivirus. Sometimes these security tools block OneDrive from connecting properly, especially when it is trying to authenticate with Microsoft servers. Turn them off briefly, test OneDrive again, and see whether the login or sync process works normally. Also, make sure your Microsoft account itself is not having a sign-in issue. If needed, sign out completely and sign back in again. Sometimes the app only needs a fresh authentication session to start working again. If you are still stuck after that, the problem may be related to your network settings. But in most cases, one of these steps will fix it. Start with the connection check, then test the browser version, restart your PC, reset OneDrive, and finally disable anything that could interfere with the connection. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for OneDrive error 0x8004De40 or 0x8004De88 are: check your internet, verify OneDrive in the browser, restart your PC, reset OneDrive using the run command, and temporarily disable VPN, Proxy, or Antivirus if needed. Those steps solve this issue for most users. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows and OneDrive fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.